Interior. The interior of the 2024 CR-V is spacious and comfortable with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. It features a variety of standard and available features including a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 9-speaker sound system, a sunroof and leather-trimmed seats. Engine. Gas-powered CR-V is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque. It comes with a continuously variable transmission (CVT) and is available with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Hybrid CR-V is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors that produce a combined 204 horsepower. It also comes with a CVT and is available with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Fuel economy. Gas-powered CR-V gets an EPA estimated 28 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway. The hybrid CR-V gets an EPA estimated 43 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway. Safety. The 2024 CR-V comes standard with a variety of safety features, including Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. Overall, 2024 Honda CR-V is a great choice for buyers who are looking for a spacious, fuel-efficient and safe SUV. It offers a variety of features and options to suit a wide range of buyers, and it is sure to please both families and individuals.